Good morning, everybody. The 17th of February 2025. We are marking out EU. On the daily, we've marked out our previous day high and our previous day low and our daily fair value gaps. We have price moving to the downside, bearish, and has come back up into the premium and discount area. There is equal highs liquidity here that could be swept today. We drop down to the hourly. We have price pushing higher, so what we could see is maybe a possible push to the downside to take out the hourly fair value gap, to tap into the previous day low, this hourly fair value gap, this daily fair value gap, and then a push higher to take out the liquidity, or the actual reverse price to push higher, push through the previous day high, tap into liquidity here in the hourly fair value gap, and then to push lower. On the 1 minute, let's see where we are. So on the 1 minute, we are hovering around the midsection here between the previous day high and the previous day low. We'll just wait till 8 o'clock to see what price action does for us, but possibly a break of the Asia low, tap into the hourly fair value gap, push lower into this last quarter of our Gann chart where we would be looking for an entry boss to take out the previous day low, possibly giving us a chalk then to go higher, or price might today like to continue to go higher. In this last quarter of the Gann, we would look for a boss to get in to push through the previous day high, possibly take out liquidity, possibly give us a chalk to go short. So we won't really know anything till 8 o'clock. We're kind of in the middle of the range here. We have liquidity draws to the upside and to the downside. So we will just wait for price action just to, let us know what direction it wants to go for the day. And on GU, we've marked out our previous day high and our previous day low. Price action was bearish and has given us a chalk to the upside. So we could see, let's drop to the 1 hour. Let's drop to the 1 hour. Push to the upside. It could clear out the Asia low, push lower perhaps. Entering the hourly fair value gap, hitting the previous day low, tapping into some of this daily fair value gap to give us a chalk to go long. Or possibly, let's drop to the 1 minute. And price action is creeping up higher in the early morning, now breaking lower. Yeah, price action could be similar here. We could trade lower down into the hourly and the daily fair value gap, breaking the previous day low, looking for a chalk to go long, or we could push higher. If we push into this last quarter of the Gann, we'll be just looking to enter a boss to take out the previous day high. But again, we'll wait to market open just to see exactly at 8 a.m. just to see exactly where we are. So just a quick recap on EU. On EU, now we've broken a bit lower, yeah, so possibly a push to the downside towards the previous day low, taking out this hourly fair value gap, in which case we'd look for to enter a boss to the previous day low for a chalk to push out of it. And on GU, breaking lower here as well, so possibly a push to the downside to enter into the Gann here on a boss to take out the previous day low to then give us a chalk to push higher. And really the reverse then if it pushes higher on open. Okay, we'll recap later on in the week. Thanks. Bye bye.